In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Jotform submissions efficiently and securely. Whether you're collaborating with team members, seeking input from colleagues, or just need to disseminate information swiftly, sharing Jotform submissions is an essential skill. So let's dive right in and walk you through the process, step by step. Start by opening your Jotform account and navigating to the specific form whose submissions you want to share. From your dashboard or main navigation menu, locate the form. Once your form is open and ready, it's time to move to the next crucial step, which is accessing the inbox. You'll find the inbox option prominently displayed on your form page. It's typically towards the top or side menu, designed for easy accessibility. Clicking Inbox allows you to view all the submissions that have been received for this particular form. It's an organized space where you can review individual entries, making sure you have everything in place before sharing the data with others. Now that you've accessed your submissions and are in the Inbox section, the next step is to share the information. Look for the Share button. This will usually be located in a visible position on the page and is your gateway to sharing entries with others. When you click on Share, a dialog box or a new section opens up, prompting you to enter email addresses. This part of the process is where you specify the recipients you want to share the Jotform submissions with. Take the time to double-check the email addresses you enter to ensure accuracy. Mistyped emails can delay the sharing process and cause unnecessary confusion. Once you've entered the email addresses, you'll need to set the permissions. This is a critical step in the process, as it allows you to define what level of access the recipients will have. You can set permissions to either view only or edit. If your intention is to allow team members to merely look at the submissions without making changes, choose the view only option. This is best used when you want to maintain the integrity of the original data while keeping everyone in the loop. On the other hand, if your recipients need to collaborate or make updates directly within the submissions, selecting the edit permission will facilitate this. This is particularly helpful for team members who require ongoing access and need to contribute to or analyze the data further. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share Jotform submissions. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure that your intended recipients receive the necessary data with the appropriate access level. This method not only enhances collaboration, but also helps maintain security and control over your entries. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful.